Hi guys, welcome to Butte Mountain Homestead. Today I am making a carrot cake, and I've been wanting to do this, but I've always had it on hand, so I haven't been forced to do what I'm going to do. But I need powdered sugar for the icing, and I don't have any powdered sugar. So I've been researching enough and thought I would share. I'm not going to use cornstarch though, because I am going to use it today. If I was going to store it, I would add about a tablespoon of cornstarch, or about a tablespoon of cornstarch to this, and then mix it up, and then I can store it. But I'm just going to make it fresh as needed. That way I don't have to store it. So I just have raw cane sugar. I'm going to do a cup and about a cup and a half, and I'm going to do it in half cup increments, and then just go from there. So let's see how this goes. Since I've never done this before and it is powdered sugar, I'm sure there's going to be some dust, so I'm just going to put a towel over the opening of the blender. I don't have a fancy Vitamix or anything. I do have a food processor, and I have just a regular blender. I have a Ninja like blender, but that's for like smoothies, and the capacity is not big enough to hold this, so I'm not going to do it because it's going to be loud. So I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, this is just after a couple pulses, and oops, it's starting to fluff up a little bit, so this is going to take a little bit. Okay, it is pretty fluffy. So that took like, seriously, like a minute. And it's from sugar you already have. So, I mean, one ingredient. If I was going to store it, I would make two. If I wanted it flavored, I could add cinnamon. I could add, the possibilities are endless, I guess, when it comes to flavoring for icing, but I'm just going to use it just as is. So, pretty awesome. Should give it a try. That way you know what's in it. I did decide that I want it a little fluffier, so what I'm going to do is just sift it, and that way if there is any clumps, that it'll be clump free. So look at that, pretty awesome. One less thing you don't have to run to the store for. And this cost, I mean, powdered sugar doesn't cost that much, but it costs more than regular sugar. So, and I do spend the extra little bit to get the raw cane sugar. So now I have raw cane sugar, powdered sugar. And the recipe calls for 2 cups of powdered sugar, but I'm only making like 1.5 of the, ingredients. So this should be plenty. Pretty cool. Anyways, thought you would like this during the baking season, and you don't have to worry about if you run out that you have to run to the store for one more thing when the stores are going to be crowded. So just stock up on sugar, and you won't ever be without powdered sugar either. Have a great day, and do what makes you happy. We'll see you next video.